All right, everybody, welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into something pretty cool. AI chatbots for small businesses.
Ooh, yeah.
They're like those super efficient virtual assistants, working 24/7, answering questions, generating leads, just all around rock stars.
Yeah, you got it.
We're going to be looking at this awesome 10-step process developed by Scogini Systems.
Okay.
They're really focused on tailoring these chatbots to the specific needs of smaller businesses.
Right.
So it's not like you're just getting some generic bot slapped onto your website.
Right.
This is about really understanding your business, your needs, and building a solution that's going to help you thrive.
Exactly.
All right, so let's break down this 10-step process.
Okay, sounds good.
It all starts with like an initial consultation.
Yeah.
Where Scogini, they really sit down with you, they get to know your business inside and out, your goals, your challenges, what keeps you up at night.
It's like a therapy, but for your business.
Yeah, exactly. And then after that, you move on to the business needs analysis.
Right.
Which is all about figuring out what you want your chatbot to actually DO.
Yes, exactly.
Like, are you swamped with customer support requests?
Yeah.
Maybe your chatbot needs to be answering those FAQs,
Sure.
freeing up your team to handle more complex stuff.
Yeah, definitely. And then there's also like lead generation. Like
Bro.
if you're trying to capture more leads, your chatbot could engage with visitors on your website, maybe qualify them, even schedule appointments.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of curious, like, are there different types of chatbots out there?
Yeah, there are. So you've got your simple rule-based bots,
Okay.
which follow, like pre-programmed scripts.
Hey.
And then you've got these AI-powered bots.
Uh-huh.
They're using natural language processing, NLP,
Right.
to understand and respond to human language in like a much more natural way.
Yeah.
So it's like they're learning from each interaction they have.
Oh, wow. So they get smarter over time.
Exactly.
That's awesome. So let's say we've figured out our needs, we know what kind of chatbot we want. What happens next?
Well, then we go to the solution proposal and agreement.
Right.
And that's where Scogini, they lay out a clear plan.
Right.
This is what your chatbot will do. This is how much it'll cost. This is how long it'll take.
Okay.
Total transparency, so you're never left wondering.
Right, that makes sense.
Yeah.
No hidden fees, no, nothing.
Exactly.
Love it. All right, then we get into the knowledge gathering stage.
Yes.
That sounds pretty intense.
It can be. It's where we gather all the information the chatbot needs to, be awesome.
Right.
FAQs, product details, brand voice, anything that makes your business unique.
Oh, wow.
So we can feed that into the chatbot's brain, so to speak.
I like it.
The key here is making sure your knowledge base is thorough and it's up to date.
Right, you don't want it spitting out old info.
Exactly.
All right, so we've got all this knowledge, now what?
Now it's time for chatbot design and development.
Ooh.
This is where it all comes together.
Okay.
Scogini designs how the chatbot interacts, integrates any APIs, like little software connectors, that let your chatbot talk to other systems, your CRM, your scheduling app, things like that.
Right.
And then they train it on all the knowledge you provided.
So it's like it's coming to life now.
It really is. It's pretty cool to see.
All right, so we've got this super smart, helpful chatbot, right?
Yeah.
But it's not one of those set it and forget it things, right?
No, not at all. We have the client review and testing.
Right.
So you get to test drive it, you feedback, make sure it's exactly how you want it.
Okay.
Sometimes clients have these brilliant ideas that we never would have thought of. It's a real team effort.
I love that.
Yeah.
All right, so the chatbot's build, we've tested it, it's looking sharp.
Okay.
What's next?
Installation and integration.
Okay.
We take that chatbot and integrate it into your website, your social media, any platform you need it on.
That's awesome. So it's out there in the world, ready to interact.
Yep.
But we can't just leave it alone, right?
No, definitely not. We have training and handover.
Okay.
So we empower you and your team to use and manage the chatbot effectively. Think of it like a crash course on chatbot mastery
I like that.
with training materials, documentation, ongoing support.
Awesome. So we're ready to go.
You got it.
Now what?
Well, then comes monitoring and support.
Okay.
We keep an eye on how your chatbot's performing, and we help you optimize it over time.
So it's like having a chatbot mechanic.
Yeah, pretty much.
I like it. And finally, we have continuous updates.
Yes.
Why is that so important?
Well, the world of AI is always changing, right?
Yeah.
So we got to keep your chatbot fresh with new information, features, and updates.
So it doesn't get like rusty.
Exactly. You got it.
So what we've learned is Sogini systems, they're not just building chatbots.
Yeah.
They're building relationships, they're providing ongoing support, they're making sure these chatbots are always evolving to meet the needs of their clients.
And what's really cool is this is tech that's leveling the playing field for small businesses.
Right.
You know, they might not have a ton of time or resources, but now they can use AI to streamline their operations, provide amazing customer service, and just focus on what they do best.
Absolutely.
Wow.
So here's a question for you. Could an AI chatbot be that missing piece for your business? How could it help you achieve your goals?
Yeah.
If you're even a little bit curious, reach out to Scogini Systems at Scogini Systems contact information.
Yeah, give them a call.
They'd be happy to answer your questions and help you explore the possibilities.
For sure.
The future of small business is here, and it's smarter than ever.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.